up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we are about to check out XG MASCARA. We checked out their last comeback. It was hella good. Tippy toes? We on the girl. It kept me on my tippy toes. It's been a minute. I've been doing a lot more reactions on Twitch. If you guys don't already know, follow me on Twitch. If you haven't, go check me out live. Today I'm gonna be playing that scary game, The Quarry, with my roommate. Can't wait. If you want to laugh, or if you want to scare, or a little bit of both, come through. Or check the VOD when it comes out. I'll probably upload it on my new channel, Dre Day. By the way, I do have a new channel called Dre Day. I'm gonna be posting things that are just in my life, whether it be with friends, family, celebrities, I guess. I just call them friends. But go follow it, link in the description. Also, I do got a Discord as well. You better check that out. Link in the description if you want to keep up with me. Because YouTube notifications ain't it, sis. It ain't it. At least for my channel. I don't know. But it is what it is. We still keep grinding. Anyways, XG MASCARA official music video. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. XG MASCARA. Let's go. Damn, off the bat? How we do? Cute and nice. Who made you cry? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, butterflies. He don't deserve it, girl. Fix it. What you gonna do? Oh. We are not. Why you gonna let a boy ruin your mascara? True, when you do cry, and I have worn mascara. Wait a second. I just saw you crawling. There's no green screen this time. That's why I was shook. This is my girlfriend, by the way. Anyways, go ahead, do your thing. Anyway, sorry for the interruption. I just got freaked out by somebody right behind me, even though we do share a room. It's a girl anthem, basically. Party and cry if I want to. That's a pretty famous lyric too. I never worn enough mascara where I cried at the same time, but I'm pretty sure mascara really does just drip. What? Dump what? Mascara gang. Games. You are a stunner. Cry over what? Who, you? Sayonara. I like this part a lot. When they break it down, and it just gets like very soft, like just builds up. Fix your crown, ho. As you should, girl. Don't let a man run your life, okay? God damn, their outfits are always on point too. Where's that from? I know it's. Where's that from? I could cry if I want to.
It's my party and I cry if I want to.
Okay, okay.
That's what I thought you
So basically they're taking that lyric and then putting it into their song, which is a very...
No, it's a common.
Another baby? As you feel it, you know what I'm saying? Cry me a river, Ooh. Okay. So this whole like comeback is hella upbeat. This is some bad bit anthem, basically. I'll never let another boy ruin my mascara. Ooh. Actually got some production value too. I see it with the whole like camera angles and everything. Bad bitty things, you know what I'm saying? MASCARA. XG coming back with another one. First Tippy Toes, which is like a basically a low and kind of anthem, like just it was more focused on dance on XG. I don't know if there's a dance practice for this song itself. That'd be nice though, because I do want to see it break down. No, not yet. I'm pretty sure they will do it because they've been doing pretty well on content at the moment. I mean, there's a lot of teasers actually, which I didn't get to see. Damn. But the last one, Tippy Toes, I think it did well. I actually was a really big fan of it. MASCARA is just another anthem to amp them up even more with a more upbeat track. And it's basically, you know, don't let another boy ruin your mascara. You shouldn't be crying over boys, you know, you move on, or you know what I'm saying? Find you somebody that's, you know, treats you right. I don't even know why I'm giving you advice. Be sure to check out the music video in the link in the description down below. Again, check out all the links. Go subscribe to the new Dre Day channel. Nothing's uploaded there, but I will be posting soon. NMix part 2 is still, it's almost done, so it should be out soon as well if you guys are wondering about the NMix content. Twitch, go follow it. I'll be streaming later tonight at 6 p.m. PST. And check out the Discord for more information and notifications. And that note, this is your boy JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.